So in this very moment, I would like to introduce our company, which is Eclectic Consulting. We are SAP Gold Partner in Indonesia. Yeah, so there are three agendas. I won't be long here. The first one is about Eclectic, so I'll tell you a bit about what we do and about our company qualification, how we are different from other SAP partners in Indonesia. And the third one is about the strategic initiative that we are currently doing, which is actually aligned with the Global AMO initiative from Avali. Right, let me start with the first one, which is about Eclectic. So this is our board of director. Mr. Aris Utama is the managing director and also a major shareholder. And we also have Mr. Jakob as the commercial director. Myself, Richard, I'm the director of business development and strategic partnerships. And we also got our head of delivery, which is Mr. Sugiono, as the operational director. And some financial highlights of what we've been doing in the past 3 years. In 2023, we are in the middle of exponential growth in the company. We reached almost 95% growth from 2022 to FY23. And as of September 2024, as of last month, we have reached USD 11.4 million in terms of revenue. And we are now at 56% growth now. And until the end of the year, we still got 2 good months to finish the fiscal year. We are aiming to have 74% projected revenue, which is up to 13 million USD. And part of this is actually thanks to the RISE movement, which is initiated by SAP. We now can win much bigger deals compared to the on-premise license. This is also reflected in terms of our profit before tax. So from 23 to 24, per September last month, we have grown by 454%. So this is also in alignment with our company's vision that we are now trying to improve our EBITDA. All right, so about Eclectic itself, we are an SAP consulting firm since 2006. And if we know about ERP, there are many other players like Oracle, Microsoft. But we only dedicate ourselves to SAP Business Suite implementation because we know that SAP is the #1 market share in terms of ERP. And there will be cases where clients move from other ERP eventually to SAP, not the other way around. We got more than 50 plus project portfolio with 100% success rate, meaning the projects that we have handled have successfully gone live. And our coverage is not only in Indonesia, also in China, India, Vietnam, until Japan. So we have got global collaboration, especially with Avali, that we are just starting now. Also, we've been working with PwC, IBM, EY, Deloitte, Accenture, Entity Data, SAP Consulting, and Tech Mahindra. So if they got some SAP projects, mostly they won't have the resources. They will subcontract to Eclectic. We got in-depth expertise in the manufacturing area, especially both discrete and process manufacturing. Also in other industries such as finance, eco-industry, engineering, construction, operations, real estate, property, and general trading. So we are specialists in all areas of SAP integration, system integrations, big data, and innovation solution. As SAP partner, we have reached the tier of SAP Gold Partner since 2015. So this proves our expertise and commitment not only to our clients in Indonesia, but also to SAP Indonesia. We are also certified as PCOE with the on-premise license model. There is the annual enterprise support. So we are being audited every 2 years. And this year we got more than 40 plus enterprise support customers under Eclectic. Yeah, so this is very recent. Back in May in Thailand, there is the Partner Success Summit event in Bangkok. We were awarded the best PMC partner in Southeast Asia. So in terms of RISE license, there is the usual FARD method, and there is also PMC, which is Partner Managed Cloud. So we were able to win 3 big deals, and that got us here. Yeah, so our solutions mainly is focusing on the ERP solution of SAP. It used to be SAP ECC, then SAP HANA, then S4 HANA, and now we are moving full to cloud, which is a SaaS solution of SAP, both RISE with SAP and grow with SAP. Other than that, we also deliver the surrounding apps of SAP like SuccessFactors, Ariba, SAC, and other than that, we also develop our in-house apps like FileMac and E2Do. FiMac is a vendor invoice management solution. So these are some of our customers' portfolio. You might not be familiar as these logos are mostly Indonesian companies, but I got some highlights like the one in a green circle. There are some of our Japanese clients in Indonesia, like Nippon Paint. So as I mentioned, we are very big in manufacturing expertise, and also some other industries as well. Yeah, so as for the OG Sinarmas Packaging, it's a JV between OG Holdings in Japan and also Sinarmas Group in Indonesia. Yeah, other than that, we also have the Intex is our ATS customers in Indonesia. Also, Toto, we delivered rollout last year for S4HANA solution to them. And as you can see here, the down below logos, these are the state-owned enterprise logos. They are contributing around 40 to 50% of our revenue. And we are also focusing in this public sector. Yeah, so other than those clients, we are also collaborating with the global consulting. So, they have trusted us as the trusted SAP resources in Indonesia. And for example, right now we are running projects with PwC and also Deloitte in Indonesia. Yeah, so just a glimpse of our big projects this year. So this is Agung Sedayu Group. Agung Sedayu is one of the biggest real estate companies in Indonesia. We are doing 2 phases of implementation there. First part is with their commercial retail business. So meaning like the malls, hotels, hospitality industry of them. They are running RISE on AWS. So we went live in June, 4 months back. The scope are FICO, MM, FM, PM, TR, PTP, up to integration suite. So this is pretty a big deal in the mid-market for Indonesia. So the RISE license is up to USD 3.7 million, and the service is for 12 months period, up to USD 800K. And the scope is covering 5 company codes. And just now, last month, we just kicked off with the phase 2, which is in their developer business, their core business. We are projecting the go live in the next year, in September 2025. Same scope, but it's quite unique, In one company, they got 2 different ULAs, one with RISE on AWS, second one, they are doing RISE on GCP. So this also proves our global partnership as well with global hyperscalers in Indonesia. So the second deal, this one is up to USD 3.3 million in terms of the RISE license for the 6 years contract. And the service is even bigger because it's covering 27 company codes, up to 1.3 million USD. And fun fact about this, they will also planning the third phase, which will cover up to 200 companies in total later. And they will plan to use RISE on Azure, which will be the first in Indonesia. So it's very unique. One customer, they are running on 3 different hyperscalers. Okay, our next portfolio will be John Lin Group. They are one of the biggest coal minings in Indonesia. So they are running RISE on AWS. The contract is up to USD 5.3 million for the license. We are projecting the go live in Jan 2025. Yeah, so in terms of our resources, our internal resources is around 50. It's between the functional team, ABAP developer, basis team, and 35% of our team are SAP certified. And we are pushing this number by 5 to 10% every year to get them certified. We also got a pool of contracted consultants. So they are our external pool resources. It's up to 40. Right, so let's move on to the second one, which is our company qualification as SAP Gold Partner. So what differentiates us from other partners in Indonesia? By the way, SAP will refer us as one of the lighthouse partners, one of the top 3 partners in Indonesia. So first, we got strong customer success portfolio and global partnership from beginning to date. We deliver high quality work with efficient pricing. And we got hyper-efficient organization model. So for the sake of the customer's benefit, our approval layer can be as fast as less than 1 hour. And we also have the user-centric approach coupled with SAP world-class implementation methodology, which is SAP Activate. And our team actually started out as SAP user ourselves back in 2006. So we would know the pain points of the customers, what they need, and how we deliver actionable solutions with the SAP S/4HANA. And last but not least will be the SAP certified resources. We keep improving these numbers of our consultants being certified. Yeah, some of our success stories. I'll just take some example. One of it would be Suchi Hospital. So Eclectic is one of the partners. I would say SAP will refer to us if there is a hospital clients in Indonesia. So Suchi Hospital, they are from Taiwan, and they are opening their hospital 4 years back in 2020 in Jakarta. So we delivered mainly the main modules in SAP, such as FICO, MMPM, HCM, but the front end is integrated with a third-party solution called TrackCare. This is their hospital management solution. We also created some custom modules for CSSD, Central Sterile Services Department. So it's a combination between PM, PP to deliver this module. Next will be the Agung Sedayu itself. So if you have heard of the new capital city of Indonesia, which is in Kalimantan Island, they are the main developers in the new capital city of Indonesia. So yeah, we delivered this scope for them, and the benefits they quickly can realize after they go live last 3 months in June. Yeah, the next one will be OG Sinarmas Packaging. So this is the JV between OG Holdings and Sinarmas. They are the biggest conglomerate in Indonesia. So they are producing corrugated carton. So the case in this implementation, it's very complex because we are integrating with the third-party MES, Kiwi Plan, RSS, MAP. So it was very complex, but we successfully delivered with the use of SAP PIPO. Okay, that will be all for the 3 of our success stories. Now about our strategic initiative. So we are currently implementing this Jogja Digital Hub. So Jogja is actually the capital city of Central Java in Indonesia. The use of this one, it will be our branch office. So we are also focusing in MO business or AMS business. It will be starting in the next month. And the main idea of this is that we will develop and nurture MT, management trainees from fresh graduates from universities. We will train them to help with the support management. It will be our main training center. There will be SAP skills development as well for them. We will provide customized learning programs, and for developer center, other than the ABAP developer, we will also provide here. So we are targeting, we will have around 100 plus consultants here that is focusing on MO. And I believe this is aligned with the Avalis vision with the global AMO. Yeah, the reason why we choose Jogja or Yogyakarta as the region, as the branch office, because we have been known to nurture fresh graduates and train them to be SAP certified consultants in just 2-3 years time. And there are many leading universities in Yogyakarta, so we can just source the fresh grad and train them to become SAP consultants. Jogja also got the competitive minimum wage requirement, so it will maximize our operating margin as well from SAP MS or MO. So we are planning to expand to APAC region as well to cover area like Singapore, Malaysia, and Brunei, and some other regions as well. And these resources will be fluent in English, so there will be no problem in covering all those regions. Yeah, so we are very excited with this initiative, and we are one of our strategy to increase our EBITDA is also to focus on the MO side of the business, other than the license and also the implementation services. Yeah, that's all from me. Thank you for your time.